Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can off your advert, whether Facebook or Instagram, without any stress, right from your phone. Okay, this is another series of our Facebook has more on mobile. All right, so in some cases you might create your advert from desktop, and you are interested to pause the advert, or you don't want the advert to continue to run and for some period, and you are not with your desktop, or you are not with your laptop to do all those stuff. So with your phone, you can as well do all these things. All you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download Facebook Ads Manager. Having done that, sign in with your Facebook username and password, control your advert right from your phone. Okay, so in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually turn off your Facebook advertisement right from your phone without any stress. So let's get started. But before we get started in today's practical class guys, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting content about Facebook advertisement and importation, and likewise graphic design. All this content I'm bringing to you live on this channel. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to click on your Facebook Ads Manager. So you can see from the screen here, these are the ads I have created in the past on this from this app. Now let's, for instance, this ad is already active, okay, and I want it to be off for this moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to let me just make a screenshot. So I'm going to indicate where you need to click. So where you see this three dot here, sorry, you see there, okay, so you have to click on it. So having clicked on it, you see the ad is active. All you have to do now is to turn it off. Boom. So this is a simple way and a straightforward to turn off your advertisement. With this way you turn off your advert, the ad is not going to run on Facebook anymore or on Instagram anymore, and immediately you turn off your advert, you are not going to charge any amount by Facebook. And this is how you do it. And if you want to turn it on back, follow the same process, turn it on. The ad will become active again. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in these tips about Facebook advertisement on mobile, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.